Problem 9 from the 2005 AMC 8. In quadrilateral ABCD, sides AB and BC both have length 10. Sides CD and DA both have length 17. And the measure of angle ADC is 60 degrees. What is the length of diagonal AC? The choices are 13.5, 14, 15.5, 17, and 18.5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Focus on triangle ACD, which has the two length 17 sides. Two equal sides with a 60-degree angle between them force an equilateral triangle. So the diagonal equals the other two sides. So diagonal AC has length 17, which is choice D.